Okay, good day, my dear listeners. Today I will continue this example, Diophantine equations. In the previous lessons, explained about Bizu, where we find x sub 0 equals 7 and y sub 0 equals negative 4. And the mostly x equals negative 1 to the power of k times p k minus 1, y equals negative 1 to the power k minus 1, q sub k minus 1 is a Diophantine equations. And in the previous lessons I explained about p sub 0 continued fraction. Okay, and we will use these formulas by the find pk negative 1 and qk negative 1. Okay, let's start. 61 over 35 is short answer is 1 1 2 1 8, where a sub 0 1, a sub 1 is 1, a sub 2 is 2, a sub 3 is 1, a sub 4 is 8. Okay, let's start. Okay, p sub 0 equals a sub 0 equals 1. Okay, q sub 0 equals 1 by this formula. Okay, p sub 0, a sub 0 is 1, p sub 0 equals 1, q sub 0 equals 1. Okay, p sub 1, p sub 1 equals a sub 1 times a sub 0 equals 1 times 1 plus 1 equals 2, and q sub 1 equals a sub 1, a sub 1 equals 1. Okay, next, p sub 2 is p sub k equals a sub k is a sub 2, a sub 2 equals 2. Okay, times k minus 1 is 2 minus 1 is p sub 1, p sub 1 equals 2, plus k minus 2 is 2 minus 2 is p sub 0, p sub 0 equals 1. Okay, equals 5, and q sub 2 equals, by this formula, a sub 2 is 2 times k minus 1, 2 minus 1 is q sub 1, q sub 1 equals 1, plus 2 minus 2 is 0, q sub 0 is 0, q sub is 1. Okay, 1 equals 3. Next, p sub 3 equals, substitute this formula is 1 times 5 plus 2 equals 7. Okay, q sub 3 equals 1 times 3 plus 1 equals 4, this by these formulas. Next, p sub 4 equals 8 times 7 plus 5 equals 61, and q sub 4 equals 4 times 8 times 4 plus 3 equals 35. Okay, it is correct because 61 or 35. And using these formulas, x equals negative 1 to the power of k equals 4, because we have a sub 0 and a sub 4. Okay, is 4 times p sub k minus 1, p is 4, k is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, equals 7. Okay, 7. It means negative 4 to the even powers is 1 times 7 is equals 7. Okay, y equals negative 1, k is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, negative 1 to the power 3 times q sub k minus 1 is q 4 minus 1 is 3 is 4k, 4 equals negative 1 to the power of What numbers is -1 times 4 equals -4? Okay, it is correct because x equals 7, y equals -4 by this previous lesson example. Okay, thank you for attention.